Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this session, we'll discuss about depreciation. We'll know how to calculate depreciation, how to account depreciation of a particular asset, and how to pass journal entry for depreciation and to make ledger account for the depreciation. For this, we'll use a question. On the basis of this question, we'll further calculate the things. So we'll begin with the calculation now. So the first step we'll take is to calculate the depreciation. Now, as per the question, we can understand that what is our purchase amount, and then the installation amount, salvage value, everything is given. So first of all, we'll calculate the original cost. Now for this, we'll use the purchase cost, which is given here as 5 lakhs. So it's 5 lakhs. Then after purchase, the machinery has been rather the plant has been installed and 50,000 has been spent for that, and that would add to the purchase cost to calculate the original cost. So you can write add installation cost. So that amount is 50,000. Adding up both of these, and this is our original cost. So this is our original cost, and we know that we have a salvage value here. We can see that salvage value of the plant after its useful life of 10 years is estimated to be 10,000. So we can write the salvage value. That is 10,000. So, and we know the useful life for the plant is 10 years. It's been given. So we can also calculate the depreciation amount. Value be like, we have to deduct the salvage value from the original cost, and then we have to divide it with the useful life. So this is our depreciation. We are using a straight line method here. Once we are done with this, we'll help you in our upcoming videos with written down value method. So this is the depreciation amount which has been calculated. So now we'll pass the journal entry. So for this we'll prepare a format. Date. Yeah, okay. Date. Particulars. Ledger folio. Debit amount. Here we write the debit amount, writing the short version of it. Then we write the credit amount. Okay, so we are done with our format. We have prepared the format. So as per the date which has been given here, like the machinery has been purchased on 1st of April 2013, so we'll enter the date 1st April 2014. I'm using the day, month and year format. So as the plant account has increased, so we'll have plant on the debit side, and payment has been done through the bank, we suppose that. So it's planned to bank account, and the amount would be 5 lakhs. So okay, so the next entry would be like for the installation part. So that would again be your part of plant, because till the plant is ready for the usage, all the costs needs to be added to the original cost which we have calculated above. So that would be 50,000 again. Now this is for year, okay, I've written the wrong year, it's 2013, sorry. For the next year we'll have depreciation. Now we'll enter the depreciation. That would be on 31st of March 2014. The entry would be depreciation to depreciation to plant account. Now you can understand the reason, like depreciation is a part of expense, and so that should be debited, and you can understand it otherwise also, like because of depreciation the value of the plant decreases, and as the value of the asset decreases, so there should be credit in the plant account. So in either way the entry would be like depreciation to plant, and the amount is, which we have already calculated, that is 54,000. And that depreciation would be posted in your profit and loss account. So this is profit loss account to depreciation. The amount would be same, 54,000. So rest of the journal entries for next 3 years would remain same. This should have been 2014. Okay, so this is the journal entry which we have prepared. Now we have to also prepare the plant account and depreciation account. So we'll prepare the plant account first. So first of all we'll develop the ledger format. We'll have date, particulars, then journal folio, finally the amount. Same would be repeated the credit side also, so I'm just copying it and pasting it. That will save us some time. This is our credit side. So let us start the first entry. So the date is 1st of April 2013. So on this particular date the plant has been debited by bank. So we'll write bank in particulars, and the amount would be 5 lakhs. The next, on the same date, we have installation expense, that is again by bank, write in bracket installation. Expense. The amount is 50,000, so it adds up to be or rather 5,50,000. Or rather we'll add it later. First we'll make the entries. So on 31st March 2014 we'll have depreciation because plant has been credited because of depreciation, so we have written the depreciation on the credit side. We'll write the amount 54,000. So now we'll balance the account. both sides there should be 5,50,000. So the amount which needs to be here is called the balance, which will be carried down would be 496,000, 4,96,000. So this is the balance amount for this year, for this fiscal year, you can say. Just mark these balances. Now this balance would be carried down for the next year. So on 1st of April 2014, you can write balance brought down is 4,96,000, and depreciation for this year (2015). Depreciation would be same, like we are using the straight line method, so the depreciation would remain same. The balance amount 4,96,000. So we'll have to balance the ledger again. So the amount here would be okay. So this is the balancing amount. You can cross check it. So this is for the next year. Similarly, you can prepare for the third year also. So 1st of April 2015, balance brought down would be 4,42,000. Again, the depreciation for that year will remain same, right? Depreciation, the amount will remain same. This would be 4,42,000. This will remain same. So we'll have to balance the account again. The amount will be 3,88,000, and this would again be brought down for next year. So for 2016, we'll have to start with this balance, which would be 3,88,000. So this is how we'll prepare this plant account. Now I'll come to this depreciation account, how to prepare the depreciation account. Now I'm just copying the format. So what we need to do is just to make the entries. Depreciation we have on 31st March 2014, and depreciation has been debited because of plant. So first of all, we'll write the date that is because of plant, and we'll mention the amount. The next, the depreciation is on the credit side on the same date, so we'll mention the date first. Then profit or loss account, and we'll write the amount again. We can see that account is balanced, so we don't need to balance it. We'll put on the next year's entry similarly, like 31st March 2015. We'll write plant. We'll write the same amount because we are using straight line method. This is 31st of March 2015 again. This would be in profit and loss account, and the amount will remain same. Same process for the next year. We'll just change the date, so I'm just copying it and pasting the same and just changing the date. So your depreciation account for next 3 years would look like this. This is all we have for this video. We have used straight line method for calculation of depreciation. In this video we'll use written down value method in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.